Welcome to Smart Academy. We are giving MSc Physics online classes. So today we are discussing about triple product of vectors. If A, B, C are three vectors, so already we have A cross B, A dot B. A cross B and A dot B are cross product, dot product. Dot product, cross product of two vectors, dot product of two vectors. See here we are discussing triple product of vectors. So we have three vectors. That means A dot B cross C. A dot B cross C or A cross B cross C. So this is here, this is a cross product, this is the dot product in two vectors. Here also this is triple product of triple product. This is also triple product. But here we are getting scalar. This is vector. Scalar triple product, vector triple product. So first we are discussing A dot B cross C. A dot B cross C. Here A dot B cross C, scalar triple product A dot B cross C, scalar triple product, that equal to AX, AY, AZ, BX, BY, BZ, CX, CY, CZ modulus. So A dot B cross C. Here these are the coordinates, components. So A vector components AX, AY, AZ. B vector component BX, BY, BZ. C vector CX, CY, CZ. Here that means first AX, the modulus of this one, how do we calculate here? AX. So leave this one, you will get this 4. So BY CZ minus BZ CY. This is the first one, plus minus AY. So this is, leave this column. So BX, CY, BZ, CZ. So BX, CZ minus BZ, CX. This is a plus. So AZ. So leave the column horizontal and leave this one. Horizontal row and vertical row. So that means, so we will get this one, BX, CY BY, CX. So this is a dot B cross C value. So A dot B cross C equal to AX of BY CZ minus BZ CY, like this it will be there. So modulus, that means modulus of AX, AY, AZ, BX, BY, BZ, CX, CY, CZ is useful concept for problematic problems in physics. So here we can, so this modulus we can shows like this: A, B, C vector box. So A dot B cross C equal to modulus of these terms, that is equal to box ABC. So here A dot B cross C equal to, we can write A dot B cross C equal to A B C box ABC. So here box ABC, so we can write like this: minus of BAC. See here we change the order: ABC, BAC, we got in front of minus. Next minus, we can write, we change order, for example A, C, B. A, B, C, this is the right order. If you change the reverse B, C change, we will get minus. So if you change B order, we will get minus. Otherwise we can write like this: A, B, C, B, C, A, box BCA. Next CAB, box. So here A dot B cross C equal to box ABC, that is equal to box BCA, that is equal to box CAB. If we change any order, A to B, B to C, C to A to B, like this only, like this: A, B, C. Go to this order, then go to this one, we'll go to this one, like this. We will get positive. We change any order, we will get minus. So A dot B cross C equal to box ABC, box BCA, box CAB. If we change it, we will get minus here. So A dot B cross C equal to AX AY, AZ, BX BY, BZ, CX CY, CZ, that is equal to box ABC. This is triple product of vectors. It is useful in problems. So how do we define, how do we interpret in geometrically? In geometrically, A dot B cross C. See here, geometrically, how do we see? This is a scalar triple product. Geometrically interpretation. See A dot B cross C. A dot B cross C. That is equal to box ABC. Box ABC. Here the scalar triple product, of these three vectors, represents the volume of the parallelopipe whose concurrent edges are represented. See here, scalar triple product of three vectors. What are the three vectors? A, B, and C. Represents the volume of the parallelopipe whose concurrent edges are represented by A, B, and C. So the value of A dot B cross C in geometrically, how do we interpret? We will see here. The scalar triple product of these three vectors ABC, that is box ABC, represents the volume of the parallel pipe. That is equal to volume of the parallel pipe, whose concurrent edges are represented A, B and C. A, B and C. See here, what do we, this is a x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. See here, this is a vector, this is B vector, here this is the C vector. Here, to extend, if we extend, we will get like this. Like this. So A vector, B vector, C vector. The scalar triple product of these three vectors gives the volume of this parallel piped image, the value of parallel piped shape. So that is equal to value of parallel piped shape. So here just remember A dot B cross A is a scalar triple product that is equal to box ABC, that is equal to volume of parallel piped shape. So in geometrically that is equal to volume of parallel piped shape. Mathematically A dot B cross equal to box ABC, that is equal to modulus of AX, AY, AZ, BX, BY, BZ, CX, CY, CZ. So next, characteristics of scalar triple product. Characteristics. So here characteristics, first point, distributive law holds for distributive law. Just we check distributive law, is it holds or not holds for scalar triple product. So here distributive law holds. That means A, B plus D, C plus E equal to, we can write A, B, C plus A, B, E, A, B, C, A, B, E plus ADC plus ADE. See, first one vector is sum of two vectors, So box A, B plus D, C plus C vectors. So ABC plus ABE plus ADC plus ADE. So this is distributive law. So the scalar triple product holds distributive law. The second characteristic, condition for coplanar. Coplanar vectors. Condition for coplanar vectors. So the condition is A dot B cross C equal to 0. That is equal to A, B, C. Box A, B, C equal to 0. Box A, B, C equal to 0. So if the condition is valid, box A, B, C equal to 0, then the three vectors are coplanar. The three vectors are coplanar. So the three vectors are in the same plane. If these three vectors in the same plane, so those three are coplanar. So the box A, B, C equal to 0. This is also important for all physics sentences. Condition for coplanar vectors. A dot B cross C equal to 0. That is equal to box A, B, C. That is equal to also 0. If you go for BCA equal to 0, CAB equal to 0. So this is condition for coplanar vectors. These are the two characteristics. If you go for third characteristics, that is IJK, box IJK equal to JKI equal to KIJ equal to. These are all unit vectors. Scalar triple product of IJK, scalar triple product of JKI, scalar triple product of KIJ, that is equal to 1. Next, if you change the order I, KJ, otherwise KJ, I, you will get minus here, minus 1. This is about scalar triple product. Scalar triple product. So I already discussed scalar triple product concepts. What are the characteristics? So it is useful, very useful for physics exams. So geometrically A dot B cross C equal to the volume of parallelepiped, where the parallelepiped formed by these three vectors. Parallelepiped formed by these three vectors. So that is equal to volume. The condition for coplanar vector, that is box ABC equal to 0.